and that will increases day by day just because of human activities. As we all know that our earth has its own atmosphere, and when the harmful rays that comes out from the sun just return back from the earth, our earth contains atmosphere, and just because of that they cannot able to go out from our earth. This will increase the temperature of our earth, and that will also disturb the human being also. Now, the question is that what are the causes of increasing global warming? The first causes is that burning of fossil fuels. Friends, as we have seen that in summer season, we have seen that forest burns just because of any sparks or just because of any misactivities of human beings. Large scales of field are burned, and that will produce harmful gases in our atmosphere. So this is one of the reasons for increasing harmful gases in our atmosphere that will increase the chances of global warming. The second one is that deforestation. Friends, as we all know that plants is very essential for human beings, because if a plant will not available on the earth, then the life on the earth will not possible. As we all know that plant is a main source through which they can absorb carbon dioxide and different types of gases from the atmosphere and release oxygen. And as we are human beings and we require oxygen, so through this it will maintain the cycle. So this is another reason of increasing global warming in our atmosphere. So what are the effects of global warming? So first effect is that rising temperature. Friends, if the amount of carbon dioxide and different types of harmful gases increases in our atmosphere, then definitely it will increase the temperature of the earth, and due to this no any season or a region comes on a certain time. The another one is that it's melting of ice. Friends, as we have also seen that our earth also contains cryosphere, and we have seen that large amount of earth containing glaciers and different types of like icebergs and mountain caps. But just because of increasing temperature, the glacier starts melting, and due to this, the amount of water in our on Earth will increase. If it will increase rapidly, then a day will come. Definitely, all the lands will submerge on the water. So, in my point of view, what is the solution? The first one and best solution is that afforestation, friends. Because if we planting more and more trees, then definitely it will consume more and more carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, and due to this, the survival of human being in future will possible. The another one is that as we all know that we all are engaged in our jobs, so it is very important to go one place to another place. But we have also seen that in place of using public transports, people just try to use their private vehicles. So if we want to decrease the amount of carbon dioxide, then definitely we will use public transports in place of using their own vehicles. So from my side, thank you. And have a nice
and our topic is global warming. So I am going to start in front of you all, so please listen carefully. As we know that global warming is the biggest harassment of in our daily life, because if you see that our world is in a danger, because it has just called a cover of the global warming, which is harming us as too, because as we know that every human wants a pure oxygen in their life, because nowadays we in this surrounding, in this type of city, we are not getting a proper oxygen. We are getting a very much harmful gases in our lungs, and we should have to take the pure oxygen. So I am telling some causes of the global warming. We should have to stop the burning fossil fuels, because as you know that nowadays so many vehicles are running from the fossil fuels, and it's mining, it's refining, or when it's were used in the in the transport, transport vehicles, it will harm too, because when the fossil fuels will be burned, there are so many type of gases will release which are harmful for the humans. And the second one is deforestation. As we all know that the cause of deforestation, so many types, so many trees were having cutted, and the cause of that, rain cannot be just occurs, and the cause of that, when the major thing has been just a tree is like a root of the earth. When the root will be just destroyed, then the whole tree will be destroyed. So I am thinking so that deforestation is like that. Deforestation is a root and our earth is a plant. When we just deforestate the whole or the trees, then our earth will be just settled, and that particular period of time the humans cannot be exist. And I'm going to tell some effects of this. The first effect of this is extreme weather. As we all know that nowadays we are not seeing the weather in a particular or in a fast period of time. As we all know that in previous times of so many years, if we ask to our grandparents and our father or mother that what is the climate change of this time and what is the climate change of past times, they always just say that the climate change has been just two, because even the past times we are capable to see that every climate has been just come in their particular period of time. But now as we are going to see that in the December, in the 15th of December 2024, summer is very high, and the people are as using their cloth like a summer cloth as usual. But after that the cold has been just arrived and it takes a lot of time, and the rainy season will be come late or come will be very far. That's the reason of this. And second one is melting ice. Melting ice is the biggest problem, because if the glacier will be melted, on that particular period of time there are so many types of land which will be just destroyed and which are just covered in the sea ocean. And I'm going to just tell some of the solutions. We should have to do reforestation. Just I have just told you previous time that if trees like a root and our plant is earth. So if we reforest it, so there are so many types of trees and earth will be safe or two. And the second one is we have to use limited refrigerator and AC type of things, because it has just produced so many chlorofluorocarbon CFC, and it will be harmful. And the second one is we should have to stop the trees, cutting the trees. And another one is we should not use the fossil fuel a lot, because it is in a limit and it will be not live for next generations. And second one is we should have to stop or close some of the factories, some of the higher amount of factories which are manufacturing same thing, and some of unusual factories which are harming, they are producing a lot of harming gas. So we should have to just control on it. And as I told that fossil fuel is burning and the vehicle are using that. So if we stop the fossil fuels of producing and refining that, so in what basis we use the vehicles? So on that time we should have to just use EV vehicles, and nowadays we should also have these EV vehicles, because if you see in the market there are so many types of EV vehicles. And another one is we should have to save electricity. This is biggest major reason, because electricity will be produced in the electricity plant with the help of coal, with the help of oil, with the help of gases. That will be also harm too. And in the if as you see that if a person want to go Muzaffarpur to Patna, that person has if he is single, so that person can take going to take a car, so it will be harm too, because car takes lots of fuel and only one person is want to just use it. So if a four person, then they are capable to use car, but if a single person is going to Muzaffarpur to Patna, that they will should have to just use public transport, or in a near my place they should have to walk, go through the walking and go through the cycling. And another one is we should have to eat vegetables, and because if we eat vegetables there are so many types of different things that will be help to climate too. And as we know that the climate change is the harming in the agriculture, so lastly I want to say that we should have to just want to save our earth, because it is our life. Thank you.